Behad ki Param Mahashanti. We will be talking about the mysterious signals that our earth receive and what Bapuji has explained us about it. We have a video on this in Hindi, link in the description box. Nowadays, science has developed devices to detect terrestrial signals reaching on earth from distant stars and planets in space. Now, Russia has revealed the secret that they had received a message from a place in space at a distance 94 light years away from earth. But they could not decode the message as the signals is not decipherable in any way by Russian scientists. So the science has devices for capturing sounds or the signals from space, but not able to understand actual message inbuilt in signals. The irony is that till date, scientists are not able to detect even the ghost or spirit present on earth in every house. So decoding terrestrial signals from far away in the space is impossible. Science is based on 5 elements, so their devices can only see 5-element objects and understand the language of 5-element creation. Even on earth, there are a variety of languages in different parts of the world. Similarly, the frequency or the language of every solar system or galaxy is also different. A solar system has many dimensions of creation and each dimension has its own frequency. Even in the subtle world of the solar system, innumerable souls are residing, based on which many religions, doctrines, monasteries, hermitages, etc. have been established on earth. The father or the creator of each religion is sitting in the subtle world of the solar system and controlling their religious activities on earth by sending vibrations to their followers. Today, everywhere on earth, an atmosphere for destruction has been built as a result of vibrations of various religious fathers in the subtle world. China is a country of non-believers and the space above China is full of ghosts who are also non-believers. So they have invented this coronavirus and sent to the whole world. Russia is also a country of atheists. Atheist country like China and Russia will be united and fight with the Christian religion countries like US, Britain, etc. All such conflicts are going on under the patronage of religious fathers in the subtle world. The conflicts in the subtle world is transmitted to the physical world. The vibration from the subtle world always controls the physical world. One can see the annals of history. There are horrible fighting and mass killing in the name of religion only. Any such conflicts on religion basis on earth is the work of the souls in the subtle world. The fact is that the message from the space received by scientists cannot be deciphered as they can only study and analyze 5-element objects but not invisible subtle world. In fact, it is completely impossible for scientists on earth to determine the exact source of terrestrial messages and the power in these terrestrial signals received in the scientific physical instrument. The scientist can also not answer whether the signals or messages received has the power to destroy our galaxy or not. Bapuji has already explained how souls in the subtle world send messages to the human beings on earth through the vibration and also get the things done on earth through human beings. Different religious fathers in the subtle world pass on the messages to their followers on earth through vibration, which results in fighting different religious groups on earth. Religious terrorism and conversions from one religion to other, what we all come across on earth is the result of fighting between souls of different religious fathers in the subtle world. Due to the interference of the subtle world, lawlessness is spread everywhere on earth. So detecting all these messages by science is impossible. Hence, decoding of the terrestrial messages is not feasible by science. So the science neither can tell about the source of messages like weather from the galaxy or the universe, nor the exact meaning of the terrestrial messages they received. Science can only register the vibrating signals of the terrestrial messages. This is because the physical science on earth is using only physical means or instruments to study the subtle world. The science is in a very preliminary stage only. In order to detect the messages of the subtle world, subtle science has to be developed and also the subtle mechanism. Bapuji has already explained in his video that the vehicle used by Ravan, the subtle spacecraft of Ravan, could be materialized from the space only by the affirmation in mind, and the person could board in the spacecraft only after transforming their physical body to the invisible subtle body. So inside the spacecraft, everything used to transform into unmanifest form of the subtle air element. By making an affirmation in mind, spacecraft used to manifest from air, and also with the affirmation, the spacecraft used to disappear in air. Such was the subtle science at that time, which now scientists cannot think of. Even the weapons used by deities, god, goddesses were also in the subtle form, because these weapons used to appear in the air at instant the affirmation was made from the weapons, and after accomplishing the work, the weapons used to disappear again. One glaring example is the Sudarshan Chakra of God Vishnu, which used to manifest from air, and after killing the demons, again it disappears in air. Earlier, the deities, god and goddesses had a power in their mantras, so by invoking specific mantra, the power of respective god and goddesses could be manifested from a for a specific purpose on earth. But now all deities, god and goddesses have become powerless, and so also their mantras. All the god deities have been degenerated to a simple human being on earth. These are all secret facts which very few can understand. So Behad ki Atma or supreme souls on earth, when they will establish themselves in a pure soul consciousness, they will be in a pure light form. In that pure soul consciousness, Behad ki soul will have the tremendous power in their affirmation. Only single affirmation or sankalp of Behad ki soul, the transformation of whole multiverse, can take place within a second. Not only multiverse, their affirmations or the sankalpas that they made can reach any of the higher dimensions of creation wherever they want to send their sankalpas or affirmations. Param Shanti vibration can spread in the whole multiverse or in any dimension of the creation as per the sankalp of Behad ki soul. Soul consciousness is the basic requirement to initiate the process of transformation. Now, transformation can only be started when the affirmation is made by Behad ki souls in a soul consciousness. When a Behad ki soul will be in soul consciousness and make Param Shanti affirmation from the level of highest supreme abode of the Almighty Authority, that is Behad ki Kala ka Param Dham, then Param Shanti vibration will have the power of the divine light of the highest celestial degree, and it will touch every soul in the creation. So the transformation will take place within a moment, as the infinite power of divine light will work with the vibration of Param Shanti. The affirmation will become powerful only in the soul consciousness, that is the state when the soul can realize its true inherent divine power. In soul consciousness, a Behad ki soul transforms itself into a pure divine light form having a power of infinite celestial degree. Then nothing exists except divine light, a pure supreme power which will inundate all the impurities of creation and dissolve them. In this state of the affirmation of the soul can reach to the supreme highest abode of the Almighty Authority. In soul consciousness, the sankalpas of a soul can reach up to the supreme abode of the higher dimension of the creation corresponding to the power of soul. According to the power of soul, their sankalp shakti or the affirmations can travel to the higher dimension of the creation and remove all the negativities up to that level of creation. In soul consciousness, a Behad ki soul can see invisible infinite creation up to the highest supreme abode of the Almighty Authority. Then the soul will acquire boundless power in its affirmations. As long as a soul sees its physical body, it has no power of, and its sankalp is only limited to this creation only. This is mortal world. Here the soul will experience cycles of birth and death of its body, nothing else. But soul should have a knowledge of everlasting immortal world of the creation, which is known as supreme abode or the Param Dham. This solar system has also a Param Dham having a power of 1 celestial degree. The galaxy has the Param Dham of the higher celestial degree. Now our solar system is having a diameter of 1.6 light years, and it is filled with the souls from many higher dimensions like distinct galaxies, universes, multiverses of 100 Kala or the 100 celestial degree, 200 celestial degree, 300 celestial degree, even more higher level of creation, like 21st generation of the creation, that is 21st PD, 31st PD up to 101 PD, etc. Bapuji has explained the reason why those souls have come to this solar system. The event is going to take place in the solar system is beyond the imagination of every soul waiting here to see. This will happen when Behad ki soul will be in soul consciousness, and then with their soul power, they will transform this whole negative mortal creation into invisible, supreme, everlasting divine creation within a moment. This is known as the transformation of infinite creation by self-transformation. This will be a true magic, a wonderful event to watch. Now let's join hands together and let infinite supreme peace prevails. Behad ki param param mahashanti. Thank you.